Hello, my name is Dr. Panhavad. I'm from Batch 3 in KIT. I currently work in Japan. I work in a 5G research development department. I come to Japan, it's already 2.5 years, but I work for this company is almost 3 years already. Because of COVID, I have to work remotely like half a year. On my last 2 years at KIT, mostly I work for external project and some partner company also give introduction. I'm interested in one of those company, I apply, and with the well-trained and internship program from KIT that I did, I able to clear those interview and yes, finally come to this company in Japan. Last message for my fellow KIT mates and those who plan to join KIT. I think it's good for you to make many friends as much as possible in this environment. It's a good environment to make friends. And don't waste your time. If you have free time, try to learn and help others. I think some of those will return back to you one day.